This tutorial is prepared using ArcGIS help. Deriving temperature from Landsat 8 thermal bands, TIRS. You can use the thermal bands from Landsat 8 to calculate at satellite brightness temperature. There are quite a few steps that I'll walk you rough to do this. What we're going to do is convert the raw bands into top of atmosphere radians, TOAR. Convert TOAR into degrees Kelvin. Convert degrees Kelvin into degrees Celsius. Landsat Level 1 data can be converted to top of the atmosphere spectral radiance using the radiance rescaling factors in the MTL file, where L lambda is equal to top of the atmosphere spectral radiance. ML is equal to band-specific multiplicative rescaling factor from the metadata. AL is equal to band-specific additive rescaling factor from the metadata. CAL is equal to quantized and calibrated standard product pixel values, DN. L lambda is equal to multiplicative rescaling factor times band 11 plus band-specific additive rescaling factor. Conversion to top of atmosphere brightness temperature. Thermal band data can be converted from spectral radiance to top of atmosphere brightness temperature using the thermal constants in the MTL file. T is equal to K2 divided by natural logarithm K1 divided by L lambda plus 1. Where T is equal to top of atmosphere brightness temperature in Kelvin. L lambda is equal to top of atmosphere spectral radiance. K1 is equal to band-specific thermal conversion constant from the metadata. K2 is equal to band-specific thermal conversion constant from the metadata. Rescaling factors for band _11 in the MTL file is given as ML, which is multiplicative rescaling factor is 0.00033342. AL, which is additive rescaling factor is 0.1. K1 constant is given as 480.8883. K2 constant is given as 1201.1442. Finally, to convert degrees Kelvin into degrees Celsius you need to subtract 273.15 from the degrees Kelvin. Software demonstration. Add band number 11 of Landsat 8. Rescaling values are noted here. L lambda is equal to multiplicative rescaling factor times band 11 plus band specific additive rescaling factor. T is equal to K2 divided by natural logarithm K1 divided by L lambda plus 1. To convert degrees Kelvin into degrees Celsius you need to subtract 273.15 from the degrees Kelvin. Give the name for output file. Now you may observe the result. The top of atmosphere brightness temperature maximum is around 42 degrees Celsius and minimum is 23 degrees Celsius. Generally water bodies and vegetation areas have less temp while rocky areas have high temperature.